Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome back to IT Studios. Today we are going to see how you can record your computer screen for free. Let's say you want to make a video out of your computer screen and share the video with the others. But before we go ahead, if you are new here, please do subscribe our channel for amazing contents upcoming. Without any further ado, let's dive in. So, how do you record your computer screen? Let's start. Okay guys, at first you have to open the all settings window. So to go to the all settings window, at the bottom right corner, do you see a notification bar? You have to click on it and you can go to all settings from here. Okay, once you go to all settings, click on the option called gaming. Okay, so under gaming, there are four windows, which is game bar, captures, game mode, and Xbox networking. Okay, so under game bar, you have to enable this option called record game clips. Following by that, you have to enable the checkbox as well. So once you do this, check which keyboard shortcut key is for which action. Okay, so to open the game bar, you have to go with Windows G. Okay, and to take a screenshot, it's Windows all print screen, and to record any particular moment from the video, you have to go with the option Windows all plus G. And to start or stop recording, you have to choose Windows all plus R, and microphone, start, pause, broadcast, show camera and broadcast, everything you can find it here. So once you check and do the necessary settings in gaming bar window, you have to go captures window. So here we choose the destination folder where the video output files should be saved. Okay, so once you do that, under recorded audio, enable the option record audio when I record a game. That option you should enable. Following by that, you have to make sure this checkbox is also enabled. Later, you can choose the audio quality, whether it should be recommended or anything manually. If you want to go with, please do. And following by that, check microphone volume, system volume, adjust if you want. And then finally, recorded video. Higher quality video capture may impact the quality of your game. That you can choose based on your connection. And I go with 30 fps. That is enough for me. Following by that, video quality again, whether it should be standard or high, you can find it in the drop down here. You can choose it and you can start the recording. So now I'm going to do a sample recording. Before I do a sample recording, I just wanted to make you guys clear. This is an inbuilt option which comes only with Windows 10 operating system. Okay, in this operating system, if you want to use this feature, you can only record only one application at a time. Okay, for example, if I'm recording the browser, I cannot record any other screen which I open. Okay, for example, so now I open Google Chrome. Okay, I press Windows G, I get a game bar like this. Okay, now I'll check this is a record option and mic is enabled or disabled. That I'll check and I'll go with this option record, and this is the option to take screenshot, and you will find the shortcut keys in the game bar option. Okay, now my recording has been started. So once it is started, I go here, I expand the windows and create new tabs, and I create 4 tabs. At the first tab, it's Google is there. In second tab again Google is there, and third tab I open YouTube, and fourth one I open WhatsApp, and fifth one I open Yahoo. Okay, so now there are some actions which has been taken place in the sample video. So now I'll stop the recording. I click on the stop recording. Okay, so now I go to the destination folder, which is here Windows. Okay, under Windows it is in the captures folder. So this is the file which has been there once I stop the recording. So I hope everything is fine. Like now you would see me expanding the tabs and creating new tabs. Okay, so first Google, and second Google, and third YouTube, fourth WhatsApp window. Okay, and fifth one is again Yahoo. Done. So that is all guys for this video. This is Prithviraj from IT Studios. If you find this video as an informative one, please do like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you won't miss out any videos from us from now on. Until then, cheers.